Welcome to the Clipper channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix VLC Player lagging and skipping when playing 4K or 1080p. At first, open up your VLC Media Player. Then click on Tools. Then go to Preferences. Then from here, go to Input/Codecs. And from here, just disable hardware acceleration. Then click on All. Then you need to go to Video. And from Video, go to Output Modules. And you need to make sure that the video output module is set to automatic. After that, what you need to do is go to Input/Codecs again. From here, you need to find File Caching and set the file caching value to 600. And now for the last step, what you need to do is go to Input/Codecs, and in here you need to go to Video Codecs and then go to FFmpeg, and in here just search for threads and set the value of threads to 2. Click on Save. And that is how to fix VLC Player lagging or skipping when playing 4K or 1080p. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.